कई बार सर ऐसा कहा जाता है, स्पेशली म्यूज़िक सर्किट में, कि अगर आपको गज़ल गाना हो या कोई ऐसा गाना जिसमें हल्का सा दुख हो, तो आपका खुद का दिल टूटा हुआ होना चाहिए टू रेप्लिकेट दैट फीलिंग इन द सॉन्ग। हमने बहुत सारी मूवीज़ में भी ये देखा है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल रॉकस्टार। अब आपने गाना गाया तू ही रे, मतलब इट हैज़ कनेक्टेड विथ जनरेशंस अक्रॉस।
Yeah.
Do you firstly agree to this philosophy कि if you have to sing a song which is about separation or which is about breakup, do you actually think that the person should have experienced the heartbreak to replicate that feeling in a song?
Hmm. If you have gone through life and विरह
Hmm.
विरह किसी के साथ भी हो सकता है,
Hmm.
दोस्त के साथ हो सकता है, महबूबा के साथ हो सकता है, एक कुछ काम कर रहे हैं तब वो अभी नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, उसमें भी विरह होता है। तो विरह इज अ इमोशन एंड लाइफ टीचेस यू दैट। लाइक खुशी,
Hmm.
खुशी किसी पहलू से भी आपको मिल सकती है।
जी।
करेक्ट, एनीबडी कैन गिव यू दैट खुशी। सो दैट इमोशन यू नो, यू हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड इट।
Yeah.
विरह यू हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड इट। अभी क्या होता है, आपको एक गाना मिलता है, उसमें सुर भी विरह का है,
Hmm.
शब्द भी विरह का है,
Hmm.
फिट बढ़ जाता है।
जी।
तो दैट इज द आर्ट। द
Hmm.
आर्ट कम्स इन टू प्ले।
Hmm.
द आर्ट कम्स इन टू प्ले एंड जो आपके अंदर जो भाव है विरह का, वो जागृत हो जाता है।
Hmm. तो जब आप तू ही रे गा रहे थे, आप क्या सोच रहे थे? किस किस्म के विरह को आपने एक्सपीरियंस किया था उस वक्त?
मैंने बहुत सारे विरह को देखिए, आप गाते वक्त आप कुछ नहीं सोचते हैं, आप सिर्फ गाना सोचते हैं।
Hmm.
आपके अंदर है जो है,
Hmm.
मतलब आप एक क्रिकेटर खेल रहे हैं, 100 माइल स्पीड पे एक बॉल आ रहा है, यू डोंट थिंक what you're going to play.
Yeah.
You just play
Yeah.
because there is a muscle memory in that.
Yeah.
So this is muscle memory, or this is a memory of your heart or whatever,
Hmm.
and it plays. You don't even know what it is.
But it's coming from somewhere.
Yes.
Hmm. But at that point, you remember the recording of this song?
When I heard the song, when I heard the tune, I felt I knew the tune.
It was a deja vu for you.
Deja vu, yeah. मतलब एक होता है ना कि यार 15-20 मिनट तो लगता है या आधा घंटा तो लगता है एक ट्यून को कैप्चर करने में, फिर सीखना वो अलग बात है,
जी।
बट यू नो ये ऐसा जा रहा है करके। इट हिट मी द फर्स्ट टाइम, एंड रहमान जी सिंग्स इट विद द पियानो, व्हेन ही प्लेज द पियानो एंड देन हम्स विद इट। आई सेड वाओ। एंड हमने, आई स्टार्टेड टेकिंग, आई took the words, तमिल में था पहला, उइरे करके। I took the words, I started learning that, and the whole process was less than an hour. सीखना, फिर एक 20 half an hour में I could deliver the content was there.
Half an hour
Just half an hour.
to sing this whole song.
Yeah. Half an hour to 40 minutes, that's all. There was no much of retakes. We just get, oh, this is nice. Oh, this is, did 2-3 improvisations. It was a very cool day, you know. And just after that, I was leaving to London with Leslie for doing the first album of Colonial Cousins.
Yeah.
तो मैं उधर जाके बोला, अरे लेस, ये गाना सुन यार, बड़ा अच्छा गाना है। Of course, the गाना में कुछ हार्मनी नहीं था ना, तो लेस्ली हर्ड द सॉन्ग, इज नाइस यार, इट्स नाइस। बोला तू सुन, अच्छा है करके, अरे अच्छा गाना है बोल रहा हूँ ना करके, नहीं तो बहुत मजा आया मेरे को। You know, I was saying, and when the song came, he says, Hari, this, what you said was right. It's an amazing song because you were humming it this way, but the impact which I had, then it hit Leslie also.
Yeah.
बोले यार अच्छा गाना है ये।
नहीं सर, आज भी लोग सुनते हैं, मतलब कितना साल हो गया सर इस गाने को. इनफैक्ट द तमिल वर्जन ऑल्सो, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड द तमिल, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड द लैंग्वेज, बट व्हेन आई हर्ड द तमिल वर्जन ऑल्सो यू स्टिल कनेक्ट टू इट.
या
आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड द वर्ड्स, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड द लिरिक्स, बट वो कनेक्शन फिर भी
क्योंकि
बैठता है.
वो इमोशन कंटेंट है ना उसमें. हाँ,
जी.
वो है, वो विरह, अगेन द
हम्म.
लॉन्गिंगनेस, द वो है उस
जी.
गाने में.
You're talking about Riyaz a while back. Arijit Singh once in an interview said that he changed his voice by training his vocal cords. Is that possible? Can you actually change your voice by training your vocal?
Yeah, you can do. Uh, it's a very powerful instrument, the vocal cords. It's a small thing, but if you understand it, and you can do so many things. I mean, there are, I think, Buddhists, or there are there's one or two singers who can sing the melody and the harmony behind it also.
As in?
They have two sets of vocal cords, and the one is vibrating in a different the harmony of the song, and they can sing the melody also.
Really?
Yeah.
Can you name
Yeah,
someone?
I'm not. There is one African American singer.
Okay.
Yeah. It's very interesting.
But you can train it like that.
You can, because I mean, basically, Arijit is, as I understand, he's a classically trained singer. अच्छा गाते हैं, बहुत गुणी है, तबला भी बजाते हैं.
जी.
He has gone through the process of becoming a musician, and he plays guitar also. और उसके बाद उनको लगा कि मेरी आवाज़ जो भी उनको कलर ले आना था, you would have worked hard on it. It is possible to change your texture, to change the tonal quality of your voice. हो सकता है.
Which has been your most rewarding ghazal for yourself? It's hard to choose between your own kids and your own creations. But आपका सबसे मन पसंदीदा गजल आपका खुद का कौन सा है?
मुश्किल है ना.
बहुत मुश्किल.
हाँ, बहुत
मुश्किल सवाल है ये.
Yeah, but I think musically and it's very rewarding. मैं काश ऐसा कोई मंजर होता. काश ऐसा कोई मंजर होता, मेरे कांधे पे तेरा सर होता, काश ऐसा कोई जमा करता जो मैं आए हुए संग, सर छुपाने के लिए घर होता.
Sir, कुछ गाने आपके, I'm just going to name them, 3 or 4 of them, and if you can just tell me some backstory behind it, how it came about, what were you thinking when you actually recorded that? Hi Rama, ये क्या हुआ, from Rangila, Urmila and Jackie Shroff.
I can remember when I was singing that song, Ram Gopal Verma. Hari! You know, he's like, Hai Rama, ye kya hua? You know, he enacted the whole thing to me. I really remember it now. And we had a great time recording that song. And it was nice. And then we put a small bandish in front of it also. That's one thing I want to talk about Rahman is he's a great producer. He knows how to get the best from an artist. Things like, you know, he has heard my ghazals so much. He knew in and out what I could deliver in terms of technicalities and things like that. And he would prod me. That was a beautiful part of it. That's how I could sing those songs the way I have done it, you know. And wonderful. That's the geniusness of Rahman.
Yes. झोंका हवा का, हम दिल दे चुके सनम. I think Ismail Saab, music director.
Yeah. What a song and what a vision.
Yeah.
I mean, उस गाने में एक लाइन भी रिपीट नहीं होता है. आप देखा है अपना, झोंका हवा का आज भी जुल्फे उड़ाता हो गाना, तेरा दुपट्टा आज भी तेरे सर से सरकता हो गाना, बालों में तेरे आज भी फूल कोई खिलता होगा ना, मैं देखता हूँ चुप चुप के तुमको महसूस करती हूँ. It's there's no repetition.
So true.
So it's like story.
Yeah.
That is the beauty of the song, and the way it is being said, it's like as if you're reading a book.
Yeah.
And then after the first chapter, the मुखड़ा चलता है, the first अंतरा comes a different chapter.
Yeah.
ठंडी हवाएं. हाँ.
Very nice. And it's so true, sir. Actually, I did not realize this until you said it. There is no line repetition in that song. What was it? What was it like to be with Sanjay Bansali on the set?
Amazing. I mean, I could see
He's also a music
when he was recording this song, he has already visualized the song. Because I could see the visuals after I recorded this song, I could see the visuals. That is a beautiful. I think he does that.
Yeah.
He visualizes his songs and he composes the song to that effect.
Yeah.
Because he's a director. I mean, a film director and a music director also.
Yeah. He choreographs also.
Yeah. So he could do both. He's composed a song. He has finalized the tune, the melody of the song, the arrangement of the song, and actually he's also visualizing his shots and he has the visuals.
Yeah.
That is why it is like this.
Yeah. Okay. Last one. बाहों के दरमिया.
बाहों के दरमिया यार, evergreen romantic song यार.
Yeah.
बाहों के दरमिया. दरमिया कितने खूबसूरत शब्द है. दो प्यार मिल रहे हैं, जाने क्या बोले मन, डोले सुन के बदन, धड़कन बनी जुबां, बाहों के दरमिया. It's a beautiful song. It is evergreen.
Yeah.
And I just have to start the song in any concert and everybody starts singing it.
Yeah.
It has got that magic in that song. Nobody shies from singing that.
Yeah.
It's so natural with people. They may not be in tune or something like that, but the content of it, the happiness which they emit while singing that song is common to a singer as well as a non-singer.
To watch the full video, click here. पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें.